Hola clase, bienvenidos. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los verbos que ocurren después de preposiciones. Okay, so the topic for today is using a verb after a preposition. There is one rule to remember when using a verb after a preposition, and that is to keep the verb in the infinitive form, no matter what it sounds like in English. Okay? Let's take a look at this example. Antes de comer, me lavo las manos. This means before eating, I wash my hands. Okay, so many times, and what I've been correcting in journals and other things that we've been saying, before eating, it sounds like in English it should be ando or yendo, it should be a gerund. Okay, but because of this preposition de, you must leave it in the infinitive form. Okay, so again, if you have a preposition, the verb that comes after it must stay in the infinitive, regardless of what it sounds like in English. Okay? And just so you're sure, you're clear, there is no exception to this rule. Let's take a look at a list of prepositions and prepositional phrases that I would like you to learn for Chapter 3. On your note guide, make sure to write the English meaning of these phrases. Antes de, before. Después de, after. Para, in order to. De, about. Por, because of. En vez de, instead of. Además de, in addition to or besides. And pensar in, to think of or to think about. Okay, let's look at a few practice examples and then I'll let you do some on your own. Here's two sentences that have some of the prepositions you're required to learn in them. Let's take a look at them. Instead of studying, I am going to sleep. And I am thinking of getting a puppy. For the first one, instead of studying, pause me if you need to, but make sure you start this sentence with en vez de. Okay, for number one, you should have gotten en vez de estudiar, voy a dormir. Okay, let's take a look at number two. I am thinking of getting a puppy. Okay, to think of or to think about is pensar in. So we're going to have here, estoy pensando en conseguir un perrito. So you'll notice both of these prepositions, de and in, are followed by infinitives. Okay, let's let you practice a little more on your own. 3 practice sentences here. Please take a moment, pause me, and work through these sentences. Okay, repasemos. After eating dinner, I washed the dishes. Después de comer la cena, lavo los platos. Okay, your preposition, de here, caused the infinitive comer. Number 2, in order to receive an A, you need to work hard. Para recibir una A, necesitas trabajar duro. And lastly, in addition to seeing the tourist attractions, we also visited the beach. Okay. Además de ver las atracciones, también visitamos la playa. Okay, so what do you need to remember from today? That list of prepositions, some of those are new for you. Okay, make sure to study those. I'll include them in our vocab flashcards. Okay, and then anytime you see a preposition, common ones like de, in, por, para, okay, you need to use an infinitive regardless of what it sounds like in English. Okay, if you have any questions, please write that down on your note guide. Y muchas gracias. Adiós.